the most important, I wouldn't say the most important because that's not very accurate, the most virtuous good deed in these days, specifically for these days, to do is dhikr of Allah. Specifically these days signaled more in the remembrance of Allah by saying what? By saying Alhamdulillah, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. So these, and there's a hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, and he says, Ma min ayyam, the same thing, there's no days more virtuous, the good deeds in them, than these days. Then, now this is an extra, then do plenty of takbir, meaning say Allahu Akbar, tahleel, say La ilaha illallah, tahmeed, say Alhamdulillah, and extra dhikr. Keep your tongue in these days with dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Keep it, even tape it and put it in your homes. Tape it meaning put it as a recording to remind you, because the problem of the dhikr is the easiest form of ibadah we can do, but we forget. So keep your tongue moist with the remembrance of Allah, but specifically Allahu Akbar, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, La ilaha illallah, especially Allahu Akbar. When these days start, there is something called at-takbirul mutlaq. You keep saying Allahu Akbar.